Now we want to discuss about the second case, Betti graph in non-uniform motion. It means in accelerated motion. The Betti graph in accelerated motion will be straight line obliquely originated from the origin points and goes upward obliquely, making some angles with time axis. Now a is equal to, it means acceleration is equal to change in velocity by time. Student, here delta symbol shows the change in velocity. Now change in velocity means bc minus 0. Final velocity is bc and initial velocity is 0. Hence change in velocity equal to bc minus 0 by time equal to ob. Hence bc by ob, bc by ob. This makes tan theta. It means slope of Betti graph, which gives the value of acceleration. Hence we can say that the slope of Betti graph gives us acceleration. Again, we considered about the distance travel or displacement. Since the area enclosed by Betti graph gives the value of displacement, therefore distance is equal to area of triangle OBC. Now we will discuss about the Betti graph in retarded motion. Dear students, now we will study about Betti graph in retarded motion. The Betti graph in retarded motion will be a straight line, but will not start from the origin. It will be a sloping like or inclined straight line. Now acceleration equal to v minus u. V means final velocity is 0, 0 minus initial velocity OA by time equal to OB. Hence the value of acceleration will be in negative. Distance covered equal to area of triangle AOB. Area of triangle AOB, because in Betti graph the distance covered by a moving body is equal to the area enclosed by Betti graph with time axis. Now we will discuss about special cases Betti graph in accelerated motion when initial velocity is not 0. It means there is some one value of u not equal to 0. It means it is a case between in between the moving of a body. It means u is not equal to 0. The Betti graph in such case will not start from the origin because u is not equal to 0. Then the graph will be obliquely straight line going upward but not starting from the origin. It will start from the y-axis or speed axis. Now we consider about some values related to this VT graph. Now expression is equal to V minus U by T. V means AB, U means OC, by T means OB. Now we will discuss about distance. Distance is equal to area enclosed by VT graph. Area enclosed by VT graph. Therefore, area of trapezium OCAB will be area of trapezium OCAB will be the distance covered by moving body. It means area of trapezium equal to 1 by 2. It means half into sum of parallel bases OC plus AB into perpendicular between two bases. Again, area of trapezium equal to half base 1 plus base 2 into height. Simply OC plus AB by 2 into height OB. Okay. Okay students, now we will discuss about VT graph in non-uniform accelerated motion. It means there is acceleration which is not constant. It means speed changes at different rates. The VT graph in such case will be a parabola or a curve starting from the origin and goes obliquely upward. In this case also, the distance covered by the body is the area enclosed by VT graph. Okay. In the next video, we will discuss about the equations of motion, which is to be proved geographically. Okay.